Hey y'all, it's Jimmy here with True Homes at Edgewater, and right behind me I've got the most affordable home that we have remaining in this community. It's actually priced slightly below base price for the Canterbury floor plan at $296,900. And the best thing is you get the lake lifestyle, the golf lifestyle, the entire Edgewater lifestyle at no additional cost. You also get maintenance-free living with lawn maintenance included, your trash included, and proximity to pools, clubhouses, the lake, the restaurant, and so much more here in the cottages section at Edgewater for the low HOA of just $195 a month that covers all of that for you. I'm super excited as well because this is the first time I've gotten to film a Canterbury that was completely staged, professionally staged, and you'll really get a great feel for what this house would be to live in. So without further ado, let's go on inside and check it out. Okay, so this is the Canterbury floor plan. It's 1,140 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2-car garage. Check out the exterior here. We'll start with this first. You have the hardy board, fiber cement exterior siding here. Brick water table, has a 30-year architectural roof, architectural shingle roof on here as well. You've got a nice long driveway coming in from your from the sidewalk here. So if you go for a walk, you can go in through the garage, or you can come up this private walkway, this private sidewalk into the home. I love the colors on here. We got the white trim. We've got this this blue siding, and then we have a light blue, Carolina sky blue front door right there. And check this out. This is really going to give you a feel for what it's like to actually live in this home with furniture in it. I've got other videos of a Canterbury of the same home even without furniture, but this really puts things into perspective. Okay, so you come in the front door here. We've got our typical 9-foot ceilings that we offer as a standard feature in all of our homes here at True Homes. You've got a coat closet right here at the front door in the front foyer. So I'll step out and take a look back at the foyer. It's probably about a 5x5 space right there when you initially walk into the home. And then when you come forward, you are here in your main living space. So the way we have this set up is we've defined the space with furniture here. You've got a couch right here that creates a walkway back to the kitchen. And we put a couple more chairs and a coffee table. And then we've got the TV mounted on the wall right there. And then we've got two different areas or directions you can go. Besides the kitchen, we've got primary bedroom here, and secondary bedrooms, garage, and laundry are going to be that way. So, but first, let's start out in the main living space here. So this is the great room, and this is a nice size space. You can get a good sized couch in here like we've done. We put a couple of chairs in here as well. You just get a little bit creative with your furniture set up in here. You have 2 windows, so you've got some nice natural light. I'm filming this in early May of 2026, and this house is currently listed for $296,900. To build this house, the base price of this floor plan is $299,000. So a couple of things. You're getting this home at an under base price pricing. Plus, it has thousands and thousands of dollars of upgrades in it. So to build this house the way it is would probably cost you closer to $315,000 to $320,000. And as a showcase home, we have some excellent financing options as well. So ask me about those. But with our in-house preferred lender, More Life Mortgage, we can actually get you the lowest rates that are available. We also offer programs like 2-1 and 3-2-1 buy downs that are going to buy down your interest rate as well. So you can make this home extremely affordable. So we're just walking through and taking a look at the kitchen and eating area right here. I love how we've done the 2 different colors with the cabinets. So we've got the gray island here, and then we've got the white cabinets on this exterior wall right here. These are 36-inch Matty cabinets, which is a popular cabinet that we offer here. It is a laminate cabinet, so Can't be painted, but you're going for that white and bright, light and bright look anyway. Love these quartz countertops as well. The sustainable wood laminate flooring. So upgrades in here, just to point out, are gonna be the cabinets, the countertop here, the gas range stove, the sustainable wood laminate flooring throughout the common areas, the pendant lights right here. So there's lots and lots of upgrades that are in this home that would cost you a little bit more if you were to build this house from scratch. This home is available for purchase right now. You've got a pantry right here as well. I love these pulls. Check that out. Big pantry right there, and then soft close cabinet doors. So all the cabinet doors are going to be soft close. And looking back here into your main living area, it's connected to the kitchen. So if you're in here making dinner, or if you're having people over, and some people want to be in here hanging out watching TV, or if you want to have the TV on while you're in the kitchen, it's all connected. It's all connected. Always make that, always reference football season. So if you're a football fan, you're watching the Panthers, you can be in the kitchen and see what's going on the TV at the same time. All right, let's take a look at the primary bedroom here. So the primary bedroom has a tray ceiling that adds about 2 feet to the ceiling height in that area, which makes it 11 feet tall, which really gives you a larger space, or a larger feel in here, I should say. This is a really good sized room. This is a king size bed right here. And there's absolutely room for furniture to go in here. We've got end tables on either side of the bed as well. And then we've got the primary bathroom. You got the same white matty cabinets that you have in the kitchen in here, and another quartz countertop. And then you've got the 5 foot wide or 5 foot long walk-in shower with the white subway tile from floor to ceiling. And you got a walk-in closet in here as well. And another upgrade is continuing the same flooring into the primary bedroom, which you may have noticed. Same flooring that's out here, primary bedroom. It's also in the primary closet. So your secondary bedrooms do have carpet. And here's a look at the secondary bathroom. So this one we did the gray. So this cabinet matches the island cabinet. And then you've got the tub shower combination in here. It's always good to have at least one tub in a house. And then here is one of your secondary bedrooms right here. You look inside the closet here. And again, this is the cottages section, so it's low maintenance. So smaller yard, but you don't have to maintain it. It's one of those places you can just pick up and go anytime. You don't have to worry about mowing your lawn because the HOA is going to take care of that for you. So here's that other bedroom. So if you need 3 bedrooms, if you need a guest bedroom and an office, or maybe a workout area, we've got all that for you. Nice size closet here. And then off the same hallway is going to be your laundry room. And this laundry room can also serve as sort of a mud room because it's right off of the garage. So washer and dryer can go over here. But if you're coming in from a day of activities that you just got to drop your dirty clothes or your dirty shoes right here in the laundry room, you can certainly do that. This also has a tankless hot water heater. It's a gas tankless hot water heater. That comes standard in our community here at Edgewater as well. But yeah, nice size 2-car garage. You've got the windows in the garage door as well, which are gonna add natural light. I don't have any lights turned on in here, and you can see that it's still really bright, and this is on a cloudy day. You're still getting a good amount of light in here as well. All right, let's do one more thing and take a look outside, so you can get a look around the home as well. So in the cottages, this is the only section where you can have these white vinyl privacy fences. So everywhere else in Edgewater, we do allow fences, but it has to be the black iron fences that you can kind of see through. But you're getting a lawn that's been fully sodded here. And also in the cottages, you get fescue grass, whereas in the other sections, you're gonna get Bermuda. So some people think that's an advantage to have the fescue lawn because it does stay green year round. And hey, it's being maintained, so that's good as well. And you've got some space in between homes as well. Let's say about 15 to 18 feet in between homes. Again, this is the cottages section, so it is a little bit more of a densely set up neighborhood compared to the Links and Harbor Point and Pinery and some of our other sections. But you get the convenience of not having to do any yard work. You get the convenience of being close to the cottage's pool, the cottage's clubhouse, the tennis courts that are over there, the lakeside pavilion. So literally you can enjoy the lake life without having to have a lakefront property here. Lakeside pavilion, you can just go and sit by the water, look at the water, grill out, hang out anytime that you want to. You'd also have access to the marina. So you can go down to the marina. If you have a boat, you can actually keep your boat in the water here on one of our docks, or what you would basically rent a slip out. If you're into golf, we've got an amazing golf course, highly ranked golf course. If you look up Edgewater Golf Club in the state of South Carolina or the greater Charlotte area, it's one of the highest ranked public golf courses in the region. We have Brickwood Restaurant, and we have a brand new paddle and racket pickleball facility. So much already here, so much more to come as well. 50,000 square feet of retail space is going to be coming to the area in the next couple of years as well. So check it out. Give me a call at 704-313-8514 if you're interested in making this your home. Hey, maybe it's going to be your primary home, but maybe it's going to be your weekend home if you're looking for a place close to the water. If you want to keep your boat here in the water for the weekend, have access to the golf course and all that, it's the perfect spot for that as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please do like the video, subscribe, leave your comments in the section below. Contact me directly at 704-313-8514. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.